Today I am going to discuss education and skill. These are the determinants of earning. Education is the restraining of mind and body. It provides a person skills and expertise to earn more and prove themselves as, as an asset for the family, society, or the nation. On the other hand, they are a liability. So student education has much more important role to play in our life. Education gives us technique and to provide ways to earn more, to work in the organized sector where all types of facilities are available. On the other hand, they have to work in unorganized sector where these things are completely missing. Quality of education, the quality of education depends upon the literacy rate and the healthcare facilities or longevity of life. These two things are essential for any person. Education scenario in India has greatly changed since independence. The literacy rate has also gone up and the investment by the government on education has also risen. Today we are giving 3.11% of our GDP for the improvement of education. The government has set up Navodaya Vidyalaya in each and every district of India to provide opportunities for rural students to compete with their counterparts, that is urban students. The Navodaya Vidyalaya scheme has improved the status of education in the rural areas. The literacy rate has gone up, but there is a great disparity. In Kerala, the literacy rate is 93%, while it is merely 54% in Bihar. The overall literacy rate is 74%, but there is gender inequality. Males are more literate than females. So these are the discrepancies in education. The government has also set up and initiated several new universities, colleges, and the recruitment of teachers has also gone up. The master flag of education is Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan. This project provides students from 6 years to 14 years of compulsory education. The Right to Education Act also came in force in 2010 and it has given students right to get education. Midday meals scheme has been provided by the government to encourage poorer sections of society students to come to school, and it also provides them nutritional base. These policies have been taken by the government in the 11th 5-year plan period. Important objectives of education is increasing access, quality, adoption of state-specific curriculum, modification, vocationalization of education, and networking on the use of information technology, distant education, convergence of formal, non-formal, distance, and IT education institutions. So these are the steps taken by the government. Thank you.